Okay, so what we're going to be looking at is using this Calc calculator here, okay, to work out the mean and the standard deviation of this list of numbers here. Okay, so basically we've got x values 2, 3, 4, 5. So those are our x values. That's our variable. Okay, and this is the frequency. This is how many of them there are, and you need to understand the difference between the two. Okay, so this is the variable. These are the frequencies. Right, so what we do is in our calculator, okay, we go to list mode in your one, so that's that's 4, I think. Okay, and in list 1 we put in all the variables. So that's 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, and 7. Nice and simple. Okay. Now, if you happen to have a list already in there and you want to get rid of it, then what you're going to use is this delete button here. Okay, that will delete them all. That will delete an individual one. Okay. Now in list 2, we're going to put our frequencies. So we need, so I'll put this calculator over here a little bit. So we need 147621, yeah? So use that little arrow button and go 1476 and 1. So there they all are in. Okay, so now I'm going to go into menu, and on this particular calculator I'm going to go into stats mode, which is number 2. Okay, and as you see, list 1 and list 2 are already here. Okay, now under here I've got graph, calculator, testers, and so I'm going to do a calculation. So I click on that one, and how many variables have I got? Only one. That's this x value is the variables. So there's only one variable. Okay, so I go like that, and I'm going to say right. But before I do that, I'm going to click on set, which is this number, and it says, is the frequency 1? No. Where are the frequency numbers? Where did I put them? In list 2. So I need to change that to being in list 2. So under here I've got list here, so I click on this one, and oops, I've got to go down, beg your pardon. Let's put that back to list 1, go there, and then, oh, not list 1, list 2 even. So you see what I've done? List 1, list 2, that's the key thing. Okay, if you're not sure about that one, fiddle around with it until you get it so that it says list 1 and list 2. Now once you've done that, you can go exit out of that, and now we can click on our one variable button, which is here. So here I go, one variable, and there I have it. My mean is 4.33333, and my standard deviation is 1.17. And that's how you use your calculator to work out the mean and the standard deviation. You put your numbers into list 1, list 2, wallop it into your calculator and say thank you very much. Okay? If you're not sure, rewind the video, have a look again. Bye.